What's up, everybody? My name is Brett Seeley. I'm a Denver-based fitness photographer, and this channel is all about helping you become a better photographer so you can make more money. If money's not a focus, that's quite all right. My goal is still to help you become a better photographer so you can shoot more of what you love. If that appeals to you, please click on the subscribe button, click on likes, and click on that notification bell so that way you can get all these videos when they come up. Now, it's been about 2 weeks since my last video, and I apologize about that. I just got back from Maui, went out with a couple models. The one that's featured in today's video is Miss Annie Parker, and if you don't remember her, click on here and you can see her in our posing guide that we did. Also joining us was Michael Sasser of Sasser Boudoir, and if you check out that video, I think this is working. If you check out that video, you'll see our photography challenge video where we shot the same model 2 different ways. Well, that video for Maui is coming up in the next week or so, but today's video is behind the scenes of a sunset shoot on the beach in Maui with Annie. Now, the thing that's different about my behind the scenes videos is you're gonna see us shooting. You might hear us talk a little bit. I didn't have a mic on for this one, but you're gonna see the model movements, you're gonna see the interaction a little bit, and then you'll see the light placements. And then you're also going to see the shot pop up on the side so you know exactly what the image looks like. Now, the images that you see are not retouched. They simply have a Lightroom preset on them. So if you're like me and you learn best by watching, stay tuned and let's go watch Annie shoot. Hi guys, we are going to shoot Miss Annie Parker on the beach in Maui at sunset beside a turtle. Are you ready? Let's go. Single light. 1, camera. 2, model. 3, well, kind of a model. Trying to be a model. Old model. She's like 32 years old. She's old for model. No, she's alright. You ready? Let's go. A little bit. Alright, so for this shoot, you'll be able to tell that Annie has shot a ton. One thing I want you to keep an eye on is her abs. So you'll see her breathing in and then trying to hold and flex. Fitness modeling is tough because you have to not only look good and have expressions down, but you have to keep your core tight for every single shot. The light that I used for this shoot was the Interfit S1, which is an AC/DC powered strobe. It means that you can plug it into the wall, or you can use the internal battery for cordless shooting. Makes it nice to travel. I have a foldable beauty dish, and I did not use the outside cover on it just because the wind was blowing so hard it would have blown it off. The wind was pretty strong, so because of that I had to stay really close to the light to make sure that the light didn't fall over. Normally I'd have somebody assist, and I did have other people around, but they're too lazy. I don't know what the hell they were doing. They're all drinking beers and stuff, watching me, my light about ready to fall off, little punks. Anyway, nice thing about using a strobe is you cannot shoot rapid fire unless you're spending tons of money on really high-end gear. So these lights, they normally take a few seconds to recycle, so that gives you time, that gives the model time. Like I'm doing Le Mans, what the hell? Disregard that last part. The camera used was a Canon 5D Mark IV, and the lens was a 16-35 2.8. Now I gotta be honest with you, the lens I was not a huge fan of for this particular set because it has a lot of distortion to it. It gives it, makes her feet look huge. She got some really ugly feet. Just kidding. Not really. The reason why I used it was because I wanted to get the clouds in the shot, and I wanted to make sure that I could get the sunset. The day prior, we did a sunset shoot, and I'll show this image over here, and you'll notice that the model is more isolated. For that shot, I used a 50mm because there was nothing to the side that I was trying to get into the picture. Now for this set, I actually cheated a little bit because I used high-speed sync TTL. Now normally I'm not a big fan of TTL because it's kind of like lights on automatic. Well, I used it here because the sun was setting really fast, and you'll be able to tell on Annie's face that it was a little bit chilly. Now, one thing that I want to say for you photographers that shoot outside, if you notice, I'm wearing a tank top and she's wearing a bikini. I could have very easily pulled out a sweater so that way I was warmer, but if you are warmer than the model, then that means that you don't understand what the model is going through. And so if you're shooting outside and it's chilly, make sure you have the same level of clothing. I'm not saying put on panties and a bra. I'm saying don't have 2 or 3 layers of clothes outside if the model's only wearing 1, because then you'll be comfy while she's freezing the butt off. There's going to be a part in this video when you see Annie's expression slowly change from smiles to a little bit of perturbed, and you'll see her face. You'll see her snap at me a little bit. I'll try to time this video so you can see it. Well, she got feisty because it was cold. And so, if you notice, I told her to suck it up. I'm like, no, stay. Don't move. Keep shooting. You know why? Because I like messing with her. You have to understand why they get lippy. In this case, she's just being a little sensitive. Being all whiny. Just kidding. Love you, Annie. You my dog. You my homie. I appreciate you. Big old feet. No, but I wanted to get the shot. And I knew that the sun was only up for like 2 more minutes. So I'm like, no, hang out. You got it. It's not that cold. No, it's pretty cold. But we got the shot. All right, 2 Cent Tuesday. Last video, I talked about how a critique really was a spark that helped me grow and flourish as a photographer. It allowed me to go full time. And so I posted, hey, does anybody want to have their images critiqued? Well, I had some decent response, and then I thought about it a little bit, and I need to tweak the rules a tad. So if you want to have your work critiqued, here are some guidelines. Number 1, don't send me to your page for me to select your pictures. I want you to send me your favorite 2 pictures. Send me something that represents you. Send me something that truly speaks to you as an artist, or something that makes you a lot of money, you know? Send me something that you love, and then if I hate it, I'll tell you I hate it. If I love it, I'll tell you that I love it. Sometimes it's good to get positive reinforcement. Sometimes it's good to hear the brutal truth and learn what works and what doesn't work for other people. Now, if you're asking me, man, who are you to be talking crap about other people's pictures? Honestly, bro, I'm nobody. I am just a guy that is obsessed with photography, who lives, eats, breathes, does everything photography related, and who has actually helped a lot of people make more money with photography. And so if that's something that you want to do, awesome. And if you don't, okay. I'm not looking to get numbers. I'm looking to get people that want to change, that want to learn, that want to grow, that want to make more money, that want to see what photography can do for them. Because a lot of people are miserable in their lives. They have a dead-end job like I did. They have a shitty life like I did. They have miserable days. They're not having fun. Life is too short. You could die tomorrow. Soapbox moment. So if this is something that could help you, I want to help you. So this is who I am. I'm trying to help you become better. If that's something you want to do, let's do it. 2 images. You decide which 2. Send it to me. I'll have the info, the link down below. And then tell me what drives you. What are your goals? What do you want to do? What do you want to become? What's your goal with photography? And then if there's something I can do to help out, even though I don't know you, if you have a camera, that means that we are the same. That sounded dumb. No, but for real, I'm obsessed with photography. I love photography. So whatever I can do to help out, I'm here. All I ask of you, like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, comment down below, share with your friends. Help me. Okay, that's enough begging. Sorry for begging. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I don't know, that's about it. I look forward to tearing you a new butthole.
What?
Right to the camera. Give high five to the camera.
Oh.
Well, there you have the behind the scenes of our shoot with Annie Parker. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And if you like what you see, please click on the like button. Subscribe, notification bell. This is begging for attention.